Wow. First bite. Juice. It's very tasty to make pakora with green onion. If you guys haven't tried, you guys can try it. It's really tasty. Hi guys, I'm finally done preparing for all this Singju. So before I start mixing, I'll show you guys the ingredients I'm going to use. So here's the cabbage and king chili and fermented fish, and I've already roasted it. And here's the roasted gram flour, and here's the perilla seed roasted, and I've mashed it. And salt is here, and here's the special green onion pakora. And and here's the fried motor. I have first pressure it, and after that I have fried. Here's the rice and a cup of juice. So I'll start mixing it. Finally, I'm going to have, and it's going to be really spicy, and king chili. Wow. So guys, I'm finally done mixing Singju. Wow, looking so delicious. I can't have alone, so I need a lot. So I'll share with my mom. I'm finally done with my plating. Let me show you guys. It's a huge plate. Wow, looking so delicious. Let's pray. Okay, so let's take a first bite. I'm so hungry. First bite. Mmm. It's so tasty to have Singju with rice. Oh my goodness. It's just speechless. So tasty. No, it's very spicy. Guys, I'm finally done eating. Done. Except one pakora. This one I can't have anymore. I'm just leaving it. And today's meal was so tasty and it was really spicy. And if Singju is not spicy, guys, it's not tasty. So even you guys can follow the exact recipe like I did and make it spicy and have it with your family members. It will be really tasty. And Singju is not tasty to have alone. Even my mom is having behind the camera, and it was really tasty. It was so tasty that I can't even describe with my own words. And yes, I think I'll end my video from here. Nothing to show. So I hope you all have enjoyed watching my video. So please do like, share, subscribe, and comment down. Excuse me. And see you guys in my next video. Bye.